Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. I hope you all are safe and taking all the precautions at your home. Today, I will talk about Mars transit and how's it affect your zodiac sign. But let's first discuss about the planet Mars. It is the red planet of passion and aggressiveness. Mars is considered to be the commander of all the 8 planets. Mars is the lord of Aries and Scorpio. This time, Mars transit in Gemini from 14th of April to 2nd June 2021. Now, start the predictions of Good Hope. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. If you are doing something for a long time, you can expect an increase in it. You can wish for profit in business also. There is a possibility of hike in your position at the workplace. The transit will be normal for students. You would like to create new options with positive ideas to pursue career. There will be some peace in your family life. You will able to do something new. Partner's health may go little down, so take special care. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. If your money is stuck somewhere, then the chances of its gain are really strong. Your ambitions in business will lead to new success. You will be more disciplined at the workplace than before. Students will not be able to go out to study and try to study at home. You will be interested in religion and rituals. You will enjoy the time with family or friends. Try to do meditation and yoga for mental or physical peace. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. You may get energy at workplace, which can also damage your position and reputation. Business persons can make new plans. Students will find lack of resources in their field. The seniors will lead you and you should not be disappointed with the advices. Increased thoughts will come in your mind and will bother you, so take special care. You will spend happy moments with family or friends. There will be a lot of support from the beloved. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. The business persons will proceed well, but do not get emotional while taking huge decisions. There may be a sudden increase in your expenses. You may feel a sudden change in your nature. Take special care in transaction and investments. You will benefit it at the workplace. Students will get good results of their hard work. There are signs of financial gain. Enjoyment with family members will be enjoyed. Time is good in terms of love and relationship. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. Stars will be in your favor in terms of business along with the promotion. Your honor may also increase. Students will be delegated by contact with an old friends. The economic situation is also likely to improve. There will be mixed results at workplace. Your mind will be restless about work. In married life and love life, mind will be disturbed due to unnecessary thinking. Happiness is expected to increase and you will feel very lucky. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. You will also get a lot of luck by working hard. In romantic life, keep your relationship with partner strained. You will become cookie. You will get success in discussions on all kind of issues and success will kiss your footsteps. On getting good news in business, there will be sudden progress in business. You will get the full support of luck. employed people can get opportunities to move forward. Interruptions in your any work can be overcome in this transit. Parents' hope and trust in the family will increase confidence, and any good news will tackle the mind. Students will be studying. Any good news will please the mind. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Starting new business or expanding current business. In both the cases, this transit will be auspicious. Students will get distracted due to lack of concentrate. If you are thinking for promotion, then you can get benefit from it. If you want to relocate for job from native place, then this decisions will become turning point for you. Your status in society will increase, and due to this your professional growth would take place. Family or love life becomes more complicated due to your behavior. You may face some health related issues, so take special care of health. Personal or professional trip is expected. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. You will be willing to invest in land and property. You may take time to prove your worth to your bosses. Students will be distracted from studies and will be involved in love affairs. This transit looks good for art and law students. You can try to reach your dreams to the destination. You are advised to be vigilant about your health. Due to aggressive nature, there can be a dispute in the family. A spouse will try to understand your feelings. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. There is also the sum of tremendous profit from there are chances of making new plans in the business. This can be a good opportunity for you to win over your rivals and enemies. There are chances of victory in court related matters. Employed people can get help from the authorities. At the workplace, your work will be completed on time. Problems can increase in your married life this time. Family life will be very happy. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. Some of your problems coming in business may get over. Distances are likely to increase even in loving couples. You may get any new responsibilities at the workplace. You will be able to work on new planning in the business, which will give you success in important projects. High positions in the job are expected to be held. If you are suffering from any disease from very long time, then you can get relief from it. Younger siblings will bring much happiness in your life. Due to a dispute with a particular person, the relationship will be affected. During this time, try to control anger. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. You will be more confident in business. You can make a good profit by investing in any of your business projects or properties. Students should not take any relaxation in studies and keep trying their best. At workplace, you may have to face the burden of work. The work of employed people can increase. You may also get good news from child side. There may be some differences in love life. You may go on short educational trip. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. Business persons are likely to make more profit than usual. There will be increased understanding between the partners. There may be unnecessary mental anxiety. Students should not divert their mind attention. Only pay attention to their study. Time will be good for science students. Social life will improve. Reunion with people will increase. Your mother's health may go down. Try to take her special care. So, dear friends, it was my analysis for Mars transit. I wish you all good health and speedy recovery to those who are suffering in this pandemic situation. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. In the end, all I want to say is remember that when you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. Namaskar.